well, you don't have to run very complex formulas like you do in Excel. It's all fairly easy to manage in creating or running or preparing a forecast or a budget, because we've done a lot of work in creating or building assumptions in the system. We can actually just update data, update actuals, and then if we're working on a forecast, revise forecasts or prepare new forecasts. And so the planning cycle is much easier for us. And there is more transparency too in the work, because normally when you're working with an Excel spreadsheet, normally it's one person or a very limited number of people, because you can only share an Excel file to a certain point. Whereas with a tool like Kepion, you can actually bring people that can help you to actually prepare a better forecast or a budget. Include different parts of the business in the budgeting and forecasting process. And that's been really helpful.